here to welcome you all to another exciting episode of #VJGIS. We are gathered here to celebrate the brilliance of storytelling and the incredible minds behind some of our favorite books that we have written. Yes, you have heard me right. We have written books in the summer vacation. So please join me in welcoming our distinguished authors who have captivated and inspired readers everywhere.
Hello everyone, I am Afshin Zaman from GEMS Academia International School Grade 5A, and today I am going to share my experience about writing books. During the summer vacation, our school offered an incredible opportunity to participate in the Summer Book Writing Festival 2024. I am the author of the book, The Journey with Two Aliens, a thrilling adventure about traveling the universe with my alien friends. My experience about writing books is quite exciting, and my family friends are proud of my achievements. When I was writing books, I felt free to share my thoughts and ideas freely. I have also enjoyed the vast collection of audiobooks. I have even discovered new favorite authors. Thanks about writing books. Overall, I am impressed while writing books, and I highly prefer you all to write books to become one of the authors, and I am sure that you will join me in exploring the enthusiastic world of writing books.
Hello everyone, I am Abhilasha Chakraborty from GEMS Academia International School, Kolkata, author of the story Dream of Avyay. My story is about a dream that a school-going boy named Avyay saw. I found the process of writing the story very rewarding. I required to give a significant investment of time and dedication towards this book. I also tried various strategies to reignite creativity in the process of my writing. Sustaining enthusiasm and motivation throughout the writing process can be a little challenging, but making thoughts and ideas clear is also essential. Sometimes you may feel that balancing information with storytelling is a little tricky, but the sense of accomplishment outweighs all the difficulties encountered along the way.
Hi, I am Swapnil Mitra, a 7th grade student at GEMS Academia International School. Today, I want to share my journey as an aspiring author and the pivotal role books have played in my development. My storybook, Incredible India, is a collection of tales that celebrate my beloved homeland, India's rich culture, heritage, diverse landscapes, and fascinating history. Participating in the book writing platform provided by my school nurtured my inquisitive spirit and allowed me to explore new genres, cultures, and ideas. I'm also deeply grateful towards my parents for their unwavering support. Writing books has empowered me not only to become an author, but also a lifelong learner and a curious storyteller. Thank you for giving a valuable time and keen interest towards the small info of my book. Have a nice day.
Hello, I'm Paransh Rai, author of the book The Antique Shop. My experience of writing this book was a wonderful, thrilling, and exciting one. And you know what? Once a wise person said, if there's a book you really want to read and it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. I must thank my parents, my mentors, my teachers, and everyone out there who supported me to fulfill this wish. Reading and writing a book plays a pivotal role in one's personality. And if you're inquisitive about the antique shop, just give it a read. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Parisha Nag from Grade 7 GIS, and do you know what I just did? I published my first book. It is called The Establishment of a New Trend, where many proficient individuals come together and make influential changes around the world. And do you know at what age I wrote it? I wrote it at the age of just 13. I want to thank my family, dear friends and teachers who helped and believed in me to make this a dream come true. And to you, I believe that everything is possible when you push through the hardships and trust in yourself, because your self-worth is determined by you and the road will never be smooth like butter. I'm on cloud 9 as a young author, and cheer up because you can fulfill your dreams and fantasies as well. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Drisha Duggad from GEMS Academia International School. Have you ever dreamt of becoming a published author at the age of 11 and 12? I also dreamt of becoming a published author, and see, today I have turned my dream into reality. And the name of my book is Power of Knowledge. The thing that inspired me the most to write this book is to explain about the importance of knowledge. Because in many places, I have seen that students care about scoring marks and not about gaining in-depth knowledge. In this book, I have showcased the difference between practical knowledge and bookish knowledge. Because I think that after our school, in our lives, practical knowledge will be more helpful to tackle with the problems in each and every field, whether it is personal or professional. So, this was my persuasion. And what is yours? And I highly endorse you to write your books so that you can showcase your thoughts and talents. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arya Mukherjee, a 7th grade student of GEMS Academia International School. I am the author of the book Science and Technology. I am thankful to my teachers, my parents and everyone for supporting me. Writing and publishing this book was a seamless journey for me. This book provides a balanced view for science and technology along with its benefits and drawbacks. If you are curious and excited to know more about today's scientific world, you can give it a read. Thank you.
In the world of self-publishing, every writer's dreams comes true with ebooks. When I embarked on writing Robots and Their Intelligence, I was drawn to their reputation of supporting authors with every step of the publishing journey. But this was not as easy as it seems. It took me a little while to understand the concept and gather information. But besides their commitment and quality and dedication of empowering authors like me, making Robots and Their Intelligence not just a book, but a journey of personal and professional growth. Thank you.
As we come to the end of our time together, I believe we have been able to shed some value of insights on writing books and inspire others to do the same.
I would like to acknowledge the contributions of each and every author present here, whose insights and expertise have been invaluable.
And remember, this isn't just the end of writing books. You also can contribute and become one of the authors too. Thank you!